Congratulations to Orlando Pirates. Hey, yeah.
Singabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates sithanda nje ukuthi what a wow.
On goal tse pedi bana. On goal tse pedi bana. On goal tse pedi Orbit College. A le tlo re botsa re ba le file bokae. Le tlo re botsa re ba le file bokae. A ona le motho wa Pirates mo score sheet. Mara score ke 2-0. Le re botsa after game le na le re botsa re ba le file bokae. Ai gone bana. 2-0 on goal.
Police station, the doors are open every time. The flag is always flying there if you are looking for direction.
Yes.
So,
all right.
Go to police station.
Cheers.
Sorry, Makalani, and that into ya.
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 Deja Lord,
Deja Lord, Hesina, my visa, our Kaiser Chief.
Love. Inolala Elso. Rasam sobola mama mfinga nezilindile phela ngithi siphathe emsini.
Love ngifuna ngiketshe kuyisathathe ngifuna ukuphomoza amazimba akufuna mosendo
akusaeli love
hamba ubukela lapha akere ngithe Chuma TV ka
mogapre akusa 80
man wangapeletsa mona ke akufuna uvuka ngifuna kulala.
Okay asambeni ubakhani yade nokhala pegate netho sacela ukuthi size for ibray angithi ba celebrate ukuthi ba win le cup asambeni
bakane wenza
uthi ucela size for ibray uthi ade kufonela wena uphendule
bakane umfonela
so ungitshela ukwenze lapha egate sakho
bakane okay bakane ulana 70 samfonela last week mohena basamaka le Durban City baba letso kuja Durban City kizile lapha kona ke to mo cheka ro right na kifika lapha bathi kizwa abantwana bathi papa ulela uthele nyama ka mmu na braille uthele nyama ka mmu meke mufuna abasikona beno manje no umfunela
I love now
okay hamba wena akutholile wena hamba
awakho yulelelana indaba manje sohlala kanjani nomakhelwane asambe it's such a big thing to them they won a cup
ba win a cup event bakorile bakotshele ukuthi bakorile karo labantu laba ba obiti baba korile
goalkeeper akekwazi
bayinile asena referee
akekwazi angithi
bisifana basiphe abona ntwe bayiwine karaba akora baba korile magolo
amabili
akorile ke ba magolo akorile ke obiti wa korelile goalkeeper ithatha ball yayishaya ka face ingene lapha manje ba win ko guys
it's fine ngicela usukume uchange ufama pijama
lafa kina ke phone
lava ususe nalento ibekile lento ibekelana umakalapa lona
kanti wena unale
lapha mina uyibekelana yazi ukuthi kuvele kube somehow nje kube untied endlini
hamba olala kora
hamba
lafa sinala makamera
amaningi ngakutshela ngathi lento ngicela uyibeke Wendy House ifunani endlini
Kibeke mthe Wendy House
ifunani endlini
Kuyamina kuyathimya mina.
Kuyaphithizela nje kuyaphithizela.
Okay
In our bedroom imagine.
Okay,
Okay idlale kanjani ni Chiefs ngoba ngibangisa kubuza.
Mfazo wamfuna uqalile la wazongitshela ka
Yini
wazongitshela
wrong,
kanjani manje umbuza ka Chief akekwazi urisabikile kanjani akayibukela
stream efonini.
ma bekenza sonto sakho sambuza ka Chief mina hofuna ukwazi ka Chiefs hamba fone la Bobby ubuza Bobby Chiefs isabikile kanjani sambuza ka Chief
haya umancane ngizogooglisha
hamba sikambuza ku stadium mina ekilo waphala mina
velulwe nje usuku lomnandi velulwe manje siqhathaniswa ukuthi iPirates bajaniswa iChiefs
umbonile mina eDurban kafakile makhokho
isabekela Chiefs you are streaming online on your phone
ake kwazi badlalile kanjani hamba ubuza bona orobuza makhelwa nawo ngisho wakwazi la ke kwazi okay baba lapha akufuna okay simple akufuna ukulwa lemfazi wakhe akufuna ukulwa lemfazi ngiyabona ukuthi wena ufuna legazi lakhe lebili hamba njalo makhelwane ukuthi akefuni nyama yayithi nkamu obrayilengwe hamba wena enoske watla wangena ka molinyame tsatsa Chiefs hamba ubuza bongo akaba kwathi no jela neko
emzini abantu ebusuku
good night
baby yazi imodi yakho nje ispoil izinto yo.
Before I even start with anything, I just want to get one thing straight, if I'm reading this correctly. So, Orlando Pirates were here to fulfill a fixture. Because Orbit College did everything themselves. They scored by themselves. They sent themselves down to relegation. Orbit, bye-bye, Marquez survived. I'll talk about that later. So, Pirates were just young. They just needed to attend the game at this stage. I'm in Bombela. Because Orbit said we're going to do everything ourselves. They made you twerk in Bluetooth. Pirates is dangerous. They have to score themselves. Where now you twerk for your dangerous team. Hey, they won it. They won. I don't even know where to start. They won it. They won the league. Orlando Pirates are 2025-2026 Betway Premiership champions. They take away from the Mentality Monsters. Give Orlando Pirates the league. But I said it already, so you can't come for me. I said it 2 weeks ago. What do I even say about the game? I don't know what to say. You guys are champions. You did it. They rocked up. But Orbit College is no football, man. Nothing. And I said so respectfully, Orbit College, there is nothing you guys are there going to twerk. I even thought maybe Orbit College were going to get 5, but they should have got 5 because Pirates did miss chances. Orbit College, I thought we were going to get twerking of the highest order. But there's not much to say about this. I didn't see the first half, I only saw the second half. Well done to Orlando Pirates. I guess my Buccaneers need to go and apologize to Sibisi, number 1. Number 2, Abdeslam Odu. No more talks of a plumber. 3, 3 trophies in 1 season. It just reminded me the documentary is coming. The Instagram. Media team. We are under attack. The wrong team won this league. Orlando Pirates Instagram me. Damn it. And I spoke about them 2 weeks ago. And I forgot about them. They're going to come for all of us. All of. I'm all in trouble. Well done to Orlando Pirates for a splendid season. I will talk further about the champions at another time. But just for this game, they did it. They actually did it.
Kudala sisithi sekusele kancane ngokwakusasalanga kancane sesiphumelele akusasalanga kancane shaba bakanye shaba Orlando Pirates is doing extra large, extra mural, extravaganza, extra hot, extra large. Diwafuna kuto ku conference call. We are very excited. Orbit College yabo lebeyithembile. Nevele skorele. Hello, Tolboza office ze Mamelodi Sundowns yazo. Ngicela ubambelele kancinci ngifuna ueda iKaizer Chiefs ngoku. ndinifuna kwi-conference call. Hello, tabuza office Kaizer Chiefs ezo. Okay, good. Yes, cause nikwi-conference call ne-Sundowns. Nithetha nina ne-speak person sabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates ne-president abalandeli bebhola Africa yonke jikelele. Every Africa. Sorry. No, andizawuzoniqhayisela ngeligi. Nento yokuthi thina sine cup ezintathu i-treble ntontoni. Andizanga ngezo zinto. Ngoku thina singamaphakaniya we remain humble, yabo? We remain humble. Kangangoba if besingabanye abantu ngeba siyanikhumbuza zonke izinto benizithethe. Nimane nisithi nina, hey imagine Sibisi lifting the Betway Premiership trophy. But kasizuyenza lonto, we remain humble. Uyayiqonda? Sendiyenzile. No, andiyenzanga cha sendisitsho kwabe ndingomnye umuntu. But ke ngenxa thina we remain humble. Umzekela sizuyithetha nalento banina okoni sithi hey Orlando Pirates yi-Arsenal yase South Africa izawuhlala ingunumber 2 ntontontonton. Then i-Arsenal did it ne Orlando Pirates did it. Asizuyithetha thina lonto ngoba we remain humble. No, andizithetha izinto sendisitsho uba ndingomnye umuntu. And it's dirty go. Asizithetha yonke nalento uba benisithi nina league is gone ntontontonton. Dawan, how do you feel ke ngoku now that league is gone? It's guaranteed why ingakuthi. Usakhona Dawan? Utropile. Cause ndisele nawe ngoku. Udlale njani wena neChippa United? Usakhona utropile. Ya, hayi ikusizini ephele kamnandi kanje ngale. Shaba balania shaba. Shaba Chippa United shaba. We are very excited.
You bafana. Yo, agege. Kunini kufuna, kunini kubhuka.
I mean, for me, this is just not enough celebrations when you just won the league title. After 14 years, this is not enough surprise for me. I don't know, guys, I was expecting something more from the team. That is, there's no crying. There has to be crying in there. If you have done it, okay, wait. Let me not say things that I don't. There's no screams. There's no wild celebrations that, hey, we are shocked, you know, because nothing was confirmed coming into the game. But that is not enough shock for me. It's like it was a routine, man. It's like something that was okay. This is how it's gonna happen, and that's it. It's not enough shock, man. Not enough celebrations for me, but congratulations to Orlando Pirates for winning the league after 14 years.
No. From a Chiefs fan, a win is a win, Pirates. A win is a win. Thank you. Ukuthi Sundowns ayithathanga iBetway Premiership. Thank you, guys. Siyabonga. A win is a win. Noma nikore ngequpha, noma nikore ngonyawo, noma nikore ngekhala, noma nikore ngendlebe. It doesn't matter. A win is a win. Thank you. Ngoba yazi ama-team abalekile la South Africa map ile nale ewine i-league. So, danko. Thank you guys. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi bafethu uthuni noma kuthiwa ukore ngobhozo. Kuyafana. Yabona akekho umuntu ozosho nix la. Nobody must say anything. Pirates are the Betway Premiership champions and that's on that.